That's another thing to watch out for, is when you're putting clamps. I've just wet that down, okay? When you're putting clamps on wet timber like that, if I let it touch the timber and left it, I would end up with a great big black mark where the steel touched the timber. And again, it depends on the species, but don't take the risk. Takes nothing to put something underneath there, and then you don't get the chemical reaction between the metal and the tannin in the timber. And there is an example of what I'm talking about. The metal was wet because I wiped all the glue, or washed all the glue off, and that tannin in the timber is interesting. It's not much happening with the jarrah, but the wattle, it's gone black. Now, that won't be too far. We'll machine that out. But if you leave it on there for a long length of time, it can go quite deep. This part here was down on the clamps, and I had the, here we go Trevor, the baking paper underneath it, and you can tell I didn't have any issue there. Here on the middle clamp I didn't have any baking paper, and I've got a couple of marks, but nothing to write home to mum about.